Hello everyone, now good evening, Moscow. All Africans, all our brothers and sisters. We have an emergency issue. Everybody, all Africans in Moscow. Everybody, we need to come out. We need to fight for our sister. One of our sisters there here, she get belle. She's heavily pregnant. She's heavily pregnant, and some of our brothers collect money from her. They promise to help her. They won't help her for document because they plan to relocate from Russia to one country. So they collect money from her with her condition. See her here. She there with me. She's heavily pregnant. I carry this girl for street. When this girl they sleep around for streets of Moscow. When our own blood brothers, our Nigerians, collect money from our sister hand, say they want help her. They forget her condition. She there with me for a year now. We don't know how I want waka. This girl no fit follow me go my house because me I no dey this city. I no dey stay for Moscow. Where I dey far. She no get document. Her document dey with them. They collect $3,000 from the girl. Say they want help the girl. As they talk now, she dey with us here. This girl dey street for how many days? No food, no water, nowhere to sleep. She dey sleep for street under tree. Sometimes she go enter people per the air sleep. Wetin we dey do our fellow family, our own brothers and sisters for Europe because we want make quick money. I dey vex. I don cry my life since morning. I dey vex. She dey here make she share small little story of wetin happen to una. People wey collect the money from her, I don call one inside. Then they beg the matter. Some say no be dem take money from her. Then they turn her upside down. We need the money, $3,000 wey this girl give them. We need the money very urgent. If not, I get all of them pictures. If not to begin to carry the matter, go dey meet police. The business all of them they do, I go personally bring all of them out. Before you go reach like that now, more of una come out. That get $3,000 when they collect from this girl with this her condition. She will soon give birth. No care. Nothing. No hospital care. She not even register for hospital. This girl they sleep street. Now I see her. You dey go hospital? No. You know they go hospital. She there with me now. Well, our sister, this one our own sister. Now collect money. Now not even tomorrow if una die. I know of our young youth we don't die for Moscow. Apart from Moscow, I know for many of our young youth. They don't do me too. I know how much we African people like me don't collect from my hand. My own brothers dupe me. Maybe you need one help. You don't go meet them say, brother, bear, help me. So I want to do. They'll collect money from you. They don't go pick your call again. They'll tell you say go call police. Go do this one. So that they don't even fear. They look the girl with her condition, with her big tummy like this. Collect money from her hand. Say nothing they happen, nothing they come. Tomorrow if you not sleep, you don't wake up. Some of them will go club, they will drink, they will fall, they will die. Everybody go they cry. Some of our days house now, sleep and don't go wake up. We go they cry. Everybody go they cry for una. We don't know what una don't do with una hands. See the girl here, she did with una. Maybe try to them small.
I stand up and see my belly.
See her. She's heavily pregnant. She will give birth any moment from now. She get belly. Her tummy don't big finish. Sit down, make you talk just the quick part. Because we need to tighten this issue.
People are there short of words, I don't know what I want to talk. The thing be say, now help, they say they won't help me. Now they collect $3,000 from me. For the past 4 months now. That's why they bend the issue here and there. They'll say that they come, they'll promise me say today, they'll give me the money tomorrow. But I know they see them. Since then, now outside, now they now street I they sleep. My DS. I don't tire. I don't know what I won't do again. I beg Mona help me talk for this issue. The people can't even happen to be saying now people our own black.
Our own
fellow black.
When our person go die, that me. If I need help, instead of me to cry to my fellow Nigerians, I'll cry go meet Russia. Now the reason why I value Russians, I value white people for this country more than my own black, and be this. Some people say I be racist. I don't like my fellow brothers and sisters. And the reason be this, so they can never help you. Go cry, meet your sister, say they're hungry. You know, go give you food. He go only narrate you. Say, Sian, let me give her food. If you don't be me, she know will be human. Now only that one they get to do. One of our sisters died about 2 months ago. More will go the other side. This room they dark. So we need to go where they go they see her where. See her. All these things are nonsense. Nigerians, what you una they do una fellow because of money. What you they do to una sisters just because of money. You don't too much. Give me a chair. Come sit down. Come sit down. Sit down, sit down. See her. Now she be this. So now she be this. So stand up, make them see your tummy well. Now street.
With Belle.
Street. Now carry this girl. She go give birth very soon. Our sister dey sleep for streets. She dey sleep. She go knock for people at the ears. Enter any of them. Since morning, I don't get myself. I no dey okay. I dey pissed off. They don't do it to me in the past, but I thank God say I no dey this kind of condition where they do me. This one pay me. Now our sister be this. She dey sleep for streets. She dey sleep for street of Moscow. They collect money from her. Tell her say make she no worry. They want help her. They want to document. She dey plan say she want relocate. Go where she will go born. They collect money from her. Finish $3,000. They don't do document for her. They don't return her money. Me, I know they stay this city. My house dey very far. She no fit follow me because her document no dey okay. We need that money any moment from now. I don't want to make sure their name. Now know herself. The guys who they collect the money, 2 of them now. Now I go on her pictures before I go they share out to the whole world. I do this video now with pidgin, with the local language where all of us go understand. Before I go carry this news to where it be say everywhere, everybody all over the world go they see her. Mona, we need the money. We they give her 2 days.
I beg my sisters
We
and
they
my
need
brothers.
the money.
I really need the money because now I need help. Nowhere to go, nothing
That's
to
it.
do. So I really need help. I beg. When I step me talk to these people, may they bring out the money because people we talk
Herself.
about now.
The people who they talk about, 2 of them get wife, who they get girlfriend where they give belle, their own day house. Their own day house. Their own they live fine. Their own they live fine. They keep the one they give belle. This girl they street with belle like this. The one they can't pay me pass. My sister, one of my sister pay for her. Keep her for place. For one of our African sister house. Keep her for place for some days. Make she stay. They pay. That one collect 4,000 ruble from her. She said that after 1 week, that one portion her come out for house. Say she get belle. The girl get belle. She dey fear. Make the girl no come born. If the girl born for her house, what did she go do? Now that one portion the girl enter street. So since then, na like 3-4 days, this girl na sleep. She dey na street under tree. Sometimes if cold don't to catch her, cold reach. She go find it for the years, enter, go sleep. Now the way she dey live, all this why be this? Nigerians, why? Why would they do? Why would they do our fellow like this? Waiting. Where would they carry the money they go? I no want to make sure una name now. I never want to make sure una name. I never want to carry una name. Waka make them don't say this girl don't start again. But this one they pay me. I supposed to travel today. And because of this issue, the thing I no fit comot. I no fit leave this girl. As I see this kind of thing, I better they pay me. Which money will they find? This girl, they street. The people will collect money from her. 2 of them get children. 2 of them, they get children. They keep their own for her. Their own children, they're okay. Their children, they live fine. They take care of their own. They collect money from her. Tell her, say they want help her. Collect $3,000. We need the money so that we will know the next thing to do. We will know the other ways to support her.
Yes, so
we need the money now. 2 days. We give them 2 days.
And the money, that be what
We
we
need
just need
two.
now.
We give them 2 days. Tomorrow, next tomorrow.
I really need the money.
May they
Time no
provide
dey
the money.
again.
She
Time
go
no
give
dey.
birth any moment from now. Only me, I know if you do everything. We know if you just wait. But we need that money. Once that money don't dey, we know the other way to support her. They don't do what did they promise? They want help her. They don't help her.
Because any
They collect
moment
money.
from now to post that picture put for Facebook.
I never
some
want
people
post
go
their
know wetin
picture.
They do.
Before I go post their picture, una know una self. Una get pikin, una own dey house. Una keep una own for house. Make una own dey live well. Why this girl dey street? She no get help. Una tell her say una wan help her. Una relocate her to where she go born. She go dey okay for there. This girl don dey wait for her money for long. She no see. She don see money. They no dey pick her call. Mona, sorry, na somebody call. So now she be this. Come make they see you. We don't feel leave our staff for street. Una wanna believe say una the Yahoo wey una don dey do. The Yahoo 419 wey una don dey do. Una don carry the thing reach una sister's body. They don collect $10,000 from my hand. My fellow black don collect $10,000 from my hand because I need help from them. Make they help me. They collect my money chop and say nothing they come. Una come still open eye girl like this. Una get pikin. Collect money from her sister and they don't do me many times but I still dey okay well I still dey fine. I know they come meet any of una again for her because I know say 90% they don't care even if you die. One of our sisters died from Moscow about 2 months ago. So already they go the kind money come out they won't go find money they won't take go bury the girl. the one wey dey life phone I go help now. This one say no concern now. The one wey pay me, the girl wey they give her to, I go find out her number, I go call am. I'm very, very disappointed in her. They give the girl, they even pay. They pay her cent for the girl. They pay her cent for this girl, make she stay with the lady. That one keep her for us for 1 week. He drive her. Say no, you know if you keep am again. They pursue the girl come for us, make the girl come for their house. They no one make born for them. All the breeze wey blow today for Russia, kill close to 15 people. This girl dey on that tree. Inside that breeze blow. When I go watch news, heavy breeze blow today for Russia. Almost 15 people die. About 15 people die. 50-something people dey hospital as we dey talk. As all those breeze dey go on, this girl dey inside. She dey na inside street she dey sleep for days with this kind of pregnancy. Nigerians, una dey complain. Our leaders no good. Our leaders no good. We the common people, many of us, 95%, we get too much evils. They inside us. We dey complain. We dey complain say leaders no good. Leaders no good. All of una, the little support. Una go support una sister, una family. Una go say no, no concern. One say no concern now. The other one go say no concern now. Now our sister be this. The whole mosque, una come out if una know them. Never want to make sure that una know. Una wey don't know them. Una wey know them.
I will start to dey post una picture.
Una call them. So make them bring that money. We give them 2 days.
Now my money because
2
of
days
my
is
baby.
too much.
Bring out my money for
2 days is too much. This girl, since when she get belle, no hospital care, nothing. She dey draw them money. Me and me dey hear the matter. She dey draw her money for more than almost 5 months, right?
Yes, for the past 5 months.
For now she dey give her money. They don't give her money. She don't get where to stay. Anyway, when she see, she go hang. And so she take the leave for long.
That's why I take the leave. Oh.
No food, no better food. As she get belle, so no single hospital care. Nothing. Nigerians, I am really disappointed in you.
And the worst part of it, they don't say yes, I did this kind of condition. Now even from Nigeria for control money come. Then they say they know everything.
Collect money.
So
the from Nigeria bring money come.
They know everything what they do.
They collect
so
money from
any
her.
moment from now, I'll begin to post their pictures. So that then there's some people will know people when they play their own fellow human being for Russia.
And girls.
In the name of big boys.
Yes, now collect money from my own sister. And girls, my fellow girls where they watch. Mona be careful. Before una go they decide so una want do anything. Mona be careful with boys. Mona be very, very careful. Some of una come Facebook, they pretend. My this, the man behind my spine. Now una dey ban herself, they take off una self. Una dey condition make go dey abandon una. Una no go learn from mistakes. But una come Facebook see they pretend. They don't want to talk. Una be very, very careful. Now see what they happen to young girls. Now see the way our men they do us. Now see Nigerian men, most especially Nigerian men. I fear Nigerian men passing on that thing. When they useless our girls. Now see them. Now they see them.
So any moment from now, if they refuse to bring out the money, I will post their pictures for all social media. And I will make sure say what they don't expect now they happen to them.
Before them will begin, and all of them, the people collect money from these guys, these guys, so those guys, they know the work that they do. I never want to bring anybody leg come out. I don't want to bring anybody leg. I don't want to send anybody to jail. I don't want to push anybody to where you're not supposed to go. Make the doctor say like this girl. Before you go reach that level, and if I want to find, I know the way I take find now. Before you go reach that level, all Nigerians, make una gather together. Not na find those group of guys. We collect that money, that 3,000 from her. Make them return her money. $3,000.
$3,000.
We know. It go reach her. It go reach her. Tell do some things. Then who go add. I go support too. I go do my best till she born. Make them bring that $3,000 come out. That one dey very, very important because now I no fit carry her follow body go my house because she no get a complete document. She no fit follow me travel go my house. Secondly, as we dey talk now after this video, we don't even know where she won't stay because I person house. Now she did now. Yes. And they never give us go ahead when she won't stay here. Who get house not there around? So we need to go ahead first. We never know whether she feels sleepy after this video now. Whether na street she dey go, we never know. We don't know. Me now, the plan to travel, I no fit carry her follow body because her document never settle. She no go fit follow me travel. I dey cry to all Nigerians, especially the ones who dey Moscow. More of una come out. We need to solve our sister issue. Nah. We need that money. They don't do me. $10,000. Now my fellow blacks don't collect from my hand. $10,000. Nigerians, I fear una. So una go do yahoo, collect money from white people. una go do yahoo collect money for una own mama, una go do yahoo collect money for una own sister.
So
I'm really disappointed.
Collect for pregnant woman now.
Who get belle with this kind of condition? Now na collect money
better
for.
for now until
Na class una wan help am.
Until my money no go better.
Una wan help am. Una wan help am. Dem dey Moscow. People wey collect the money from her, dem dey Moscow.
Any moment
I never
from
wan
now,
post their
go post
picture. I dey give them nothing tomorrow. I dey call some of them, some no pick up again. One pick, they deny. They tell me say na another one collect the money. Na another one. They turn the matter. I no wan hear who they turn am. Before they go begin turn am, before me go narrate them, and I go make sure say I go give their pictures to people for Russia wey go help us find them. They no say number one. Una work, the work una dey do. No be the work wey dey legal. Una dey do illegal business. Una no go put una no go use una brain make una hide una self. If person talk now, they go say this person wicked. They punish your fellow black. You want send your brother to jail. See what una do una own sister. See how we get belle. Now una open eye collect money from.
So the jail make them themselves ready because.
So if una no bring the money come out,
any moment
so not bring the money come out, I me go push una. The thing don too much. I don share tears since morning. Waiting. Which money una dey find? Wetin dey happen? No. Sit down. Make you sit down.
Me, I don't even tire.
Since how many days? No better sleep. No better sleep. Now she dey baff for how many days?
How many days?
She just baff now. She can't change clothes.
Nothing to.
She go sleep with one cloth. Wake up with one cloth. Nigerians, no. Una own sister. Una sister. Una dey do like this. Una sister. Una dey do like this. Una own sister. Una dey do like this. Una own sister with belle with this kind of condition. I fear una. I fear una Nigerians. If shebi no, God. Una know how many Nigerians wey die. Una know how many of our youth wey die for Moscow recently. Some will sleep, they no wake up. Some will go club, they will drink, they will fall, they will die. We go they cry up and down. Some different things that they happen to them. We go they cry. All these things no wey go kill una. All these things no wey person go die or timely death. Make una answer me. I dey ask una.
And when they know say they get newborn baby for her.
But they get you two of them, the two guys wey collect money from this girl. So two of them, they get girl wey even born for them. They keep their own for inside house. Una children know dey street. They una collect money from innocent girl. They will collect money from innocent girl. Collect money from innocent girl. Go give her to the one they put for house. If una no fit take care of woman, who say una man dey impregnate girls? Una put girl for house. Una no fit take care. Una no fit take care of woman. Una come dey find una wan play yahoo. Una come dey find innocent girl una wan collect money from. Take feed una own for house. Before I go dey pack all of una, both their children, I save their pictures keep. Both their babies, or the two guys, and the women wey born for all of them picture I get am. Before I go begin to post una to the whole world, they narrate una to the whole world, make the people even the body work on and they do. Before I go reach that level, Mona return this girl money. Mona return her $3,000. I go support. We'll know the next week. They get only 2 days. Next tomorrow, Mona call my number and I know how to get me. Mona message me for Facebook. I no fit travel again because of this girl. I need to go back to my house. I need to go back, go do wetin I want to do, but I no fit comot. As I see this girl since, I no dey okay. I need to cancel my ticket. I no fit comot. I no fit leave her. I know wetin happen for Russia today, but 15 people, when I watch news, na im die today because of breeze. The kind breeze wey blow today for Russia. About 15 people, some tree fall on top them, some house fall on top them. About 15 people na die. Why 50-something people dey hospital? Inside that breeze as e heavy reach, na this girl dey with this kind of condition, no food. When I see her, wetin you eat? She say she eat guava, she pluck guava, eat with belle. Na wetin she eat? Guava, pregnant woman. I dey pissed off. I dey vex, Nigeria. Which quick money we dey find? Which quick money we dey find? Wey be say we no know our sister. We know none of us dey go dey do blood money. We no know our sister. We no know our brother. We no know our family again. Shebi one die. One of our black girl died that day. They don't come out. If you die, that time they can't come out. Now that time they know say they want help you. When one girl die, they come out. They say about $4,000 to bury the girl. To carry and go house about 5,000. They come out begin to donate money. So now that one be help. Now one help. una go wait dey look una sister wey die when something don happen finish una go dey bring money come out na don wan be help na so na wan take dey help una fellow na so na wan take that's why me I no fit go meet any Nigerian. Sorry, na somebody dey call my phone. That's why I no dey cry go meet una for help. If I need help, I dey need support. Nobody know they need help. If I call about two of my Russian people, now they'll rush come. If I no well, if I dey sick, I go call Russia. I go call my Russian friend. They'll run come. They'll come with better car. Come take pick me. Go take care of me. But me, I call my fellow Nigerians. Whether any of them go help me. Or most of them know that to follow you drink. Follow you come drink. Now let that one. Now you go call them. When the Nigerians go full. If you call Nigeria and say yes, party, all of them go full. May you get problem, may you call them. I dey very disappointed with you. Nigerians are very, very disappointed with most of you. In fact, 99% I will say. Most of una heart na evil. Now what they come, they pretend, they do something and know God. Even the simple commandment what God give una, not even know. How to be your brother's keeper, una no know. Now so come they pretend to people just to deceive people, make the people believe so and be the best. Will be say common feelings una no get. How to I don't want to put on at the verse. As I did at the verse. At the verse. Ah God. I beg. Before una go dey see una pictures. Before una go dey see una pictures. Before I go dey pack una pictures, they give people I not supposed give una pictures to. More na return this girl $3,000. If we get that one now, we'll use and do some kind of things for her. Before we know the next thing to do, baby things no cost. We go find way, organize, quick. We go find girls, wanna be careful. Everybody want a better husband house, everybody want born. Wanna they learn a foundation where? Wanna they learn even if you marry at the age of 30. Make sure you are comfortable. Make sure you work hard first. Make sure you work hard first. No one need to end your boy life. Most of our boys, 99% of our boys are evil. They will come, deceive you. They will lie. They will give you even a head. When you don't take condition, they will abandon you. They will ignore you. They will ignore you. Our Nigerian girls wanna be careful. See our sister now. She dey suffer. See her. Now street she dey sleep. Now street she dey sleep. No care. Nobody care. Everybody abandon. This one will say no consigner. This one the other one will say no consigner. I no pray anything happen. When you die, all of them come out. They want help you. Now dead body no one can help. If God forbid me, I no go die. If my could not help me, I don't need to help. Now when I die alive, now I need help. Who no fit help me when I die alive? I die. You can't say you want help me. Now God will punish the help. I don't need your help when I know their life. Now dead body you want bury. When my sister dey life, my brother dey life, they need help. Simple help. Even if na common food to take give my sister, I no go give. This one will push her come out for your house. The other one will push her and go say no consign me. If na yes my sister die, now they come out, they bring money come out. Now una fit I don't want to be the help. If person don't die, even anywhere where he die, Russian government no go throw away your body make rot for street, then go bury you by themselves. So no wait. Make person die before na go dey help am. When I don't hear so na person die, now come out, that one want bring money. One na sister need small support, little help. Common food na no go give when they dey life. Now when something happen, of now come out. Say na our family who go dey bring money, they come go say he go buy coffee. This one go dey come. Now that one na what they do. And they ask una simple question. And that one na what they do. Una want they wait. Una own, una person, una blood. When they don't perish, something don't happen before una come out. We need emergency help for this girl. Any moment from now, she dey give birth. We need emergency help. That money when they collect, that $3,000, we need them back. Girls, Moscow girls, wanna be careful with Yahoo guys. 99% of them want use una head.
Especially boys.
They want use una head, especially for Moscow. They want use una head. They want use una head finish at the end of the dump una. They want use now our girls. This man tell una some of the secret of Yahoo. They go to tell una say Yahoo, maga will soon pay. Una go they use una body. They sleep with white men. They sleep run for change. They pack the money. They give one idiot boy where he die in home. They go they deceive una. Maga will soon pay. If Maga pay, I'll do this one. If Maga pay, I'll build mansion for you. If Maga pay, I'll do this one for you. At the end, you go end up lavish everything where you work for abroad. Give one idiot boy. Sometimes you go get benefit for them, they'll ignore you. So the one where they rent for them, you know how many for our girls, they don't pack go us. When they get better, they'll tell you, say, come go Nigeria. The Nigeria where they go, they're not going to call you again. Once you don't reach there, no call. They're not going to call you again. sometimes even the pikin wey you born for them, they no go care whether that pikin go feed. Why some of una no get house to go? Una family, some of una go come abroad, una go abandon una parents, una go abandon una own family because of boy. I'm very, very disappointed in some of you girls. Una go abandon una family, some of una family because of guy una see. When the guy don't everything una work for life. Everything una don't suffer, una go dey pack and give boy. The boy go dey deceive una, no worry, Yahoo go soon pay. Maga go soon pay. If Maga pay, I'll do this, I'll do everything I hate. When problem don't come, they go abandon una. Mona wake up, girls. I dey vex on my girls. I dey vex on Nigeria girls. Mona wake up. Boys, most of them they use now only few. I'm not to say all the guys wicked. Few out of 100, maybe 5%. Fit get God mind, fit good, they okay. The rest won't use all of una. They won't give belle. Our men this they don't even want marry girls put for her. They want just say make them born. So far they don't born. Baby mama. They call of una baby mama. I do video before about baby mama. Because now some of una now one time, they will deceive una. They give them belle. They go even they use on the laugh you they go. If they toss on that new girl, go tell the new girl say, if the girl say you get wife, I go say, who tell you say I get wife? Now my baby mama now. Man go say me you born for her. Money no put for your head. No wedding. Nothing. Your family no even know. Your family no even know where your family dey. Now go they carry, now go they ready. You they call on your man. You they proud. I'm disappointed in some of you girls. Everybody look and say this girl, this mad girl. Now me be gaga, but I see some sense in me. Man, no go use my head again. They don't use me in the past. That one in the past. Instead of me to marry, my girls, my house, they suffer. They smile. I come Facebook, they pretend, they deceive other ladies. The man behind my smile. When I know say they beat me for his house, now me even they use my money, they feed picking when I get for them. But when they deceive myself, the man behind my smile. I will remain single. I will make my money. If I don't make my money finish, I will just find one man. If I have 2 or 3 I won't get. Give birth. After I don't give birth to the how many numbers of children I know say I feel take care of. I'm capable of taking care of. I will do I will take care of my children. When I know they rush enter a new husband house. Now go they use my money, they buy love. Now go they use my money, they buy me. Make them keep una. Make them talk. Make people for talk una get husband. Make una mate no for laugh una say una no get husband. My sister, you better remain single and be happy. Than today in one condition when one man will put you go they regret all your life. Some of una say will go even kill yourself out of frustration because of waiting man put you through. I dey vex for the guy too. I dey vex for him because the guy say she no hear word, she no listen to say he no dey aware before the girl carry money give those guys. Because of that one, the boy dey vex for the girl. Matter don't happen like this. The guy no get right because now he impregnate the girl. He no get right say he want the vex. Me I dey vex for the guy too. I dey vex too. Wetin boys dey use our girls here they do. No, I dey very, very disappointed. All those guys wey collect that money before una matter go begin they run, they go everywhere. Before they carry una pictures waka. Before una go jail, una no suppose go. The Yahoo one they do never reach una. All the billions una don collect from white people. They do Yahoo, they play smart. Never reach una. Before una go jail put. Una return that girl $3,000.
2 days.
2 days una get nothing else tomorrow. The money not too big. Mona return her money, see her condition. Now street this girl dey for days. No food, no care, nothing. As this belle big reach so, no hospital care. Nothing. So we need her money. Now she be this. Now hear from me again the moment from now. Make I fair give them some days. We know if we not see the money, they not bring the money come. One for inside. I call you number, that one they deny. Why another one say you know, not being chop the money. Then they turn the matter upside down. This girl they sleep for street.
What I get to tell una be say, if una say I don't want return the money, who say he head strong, he wife head strong, he no know as he pikin head big. So Mona still ready on una own. If una no want bring out the money, Mona ready or Mona wait for wetin go still happen. If they don't give your money, my sister, if they not give, no worry. We go find what don't settle your issue. But they no go. They will never go in peace. They go bury una here soon. We go see because since na bury una, one minute they bury una, and they all of una now. We no know what to kill now. Now go use una hand draw problem finish. They will go they cry say see young boy, our young brother. We know they know what they kill now. Now who see now? This one be person. Now they pretend. They pretend make people until they deceive people. See condition where una sister dey.
with all this condition and leave her make she dey street
money
collect money from her hand. They do me oh, they don do me, they don do me, but my own no pay me because I still dey okay.
They give stories.
I can still make more. They come give story. Yes, common food they no even dey call her, you don chop. Anything wey she see she go pick for street, she go eat, and so she take dey live.
Yes.
She go pluck apple for street eat with belle, no hospital care, nothing. Girls, no call of una dey open eye. Make una dey open eye, una no let them Moscow boys. When girls una dey open eye, una dey open una eye, una no dey play door for anybody. Una act smart. Many Nigerian maids dey ready to use una dump una. Most of my close friends wey I even get, whether they come abroad come school, if you ask them, they take off your business, they go say na their mother, wey una father. Nigerian men, you all, many of you are sleeping. Nigerian men, most of you all are sleeping. All una know na to just get baby, na to get woman pregnant. The responsibilities you people cannot. You cannot even take care of your responsibilities as a man. I'm disappointed in many of you. I am really disappointed. 99% of our male, in fact I would say 95, na just to get woman pregnant una know. If una see fine girl wey dey by herself maintain her body, una go dey cry put and this girl must get am. All those ones wey dey message me up and down. See, if una don see the way say they use her money to take off theirself, una go dey come, they disturb their phone. Baby, I will do everything for you. Una go dey promise heaven and earth una no fit do. The one una put for house, una never fit take care of them finish. Una go dey come, they deceive girls up and down. Una don put them for condition, una go dey abandon them. They collect money from girls. They go pay una. They go dey pay una money make una for marry them. Waiting, girls. Wetin una dey find the husband ask for? You better remain single, be happy. Than to force yourself enter any place. So I know I want to put on. I know they open her eye. The thing dey vex me. It dey vex me. Ah, God.
So very soon we'll post their pictures.
So before you go reach the time, we will take post their pictures. Make them bring that 2,000 comments. I never want to make sure their name.
Any moment from now.
Make them not say this girl don't start. I don't want to see anybody go jail. I always tell my fellow African, anybody, when I know they use now, they find what the person go do now. Make them not say this person wicked. See what he do with brothers. The one I do not go talk. Collect money from your own sister with this kind of condition. Say for una man, say nobody go help her. She don't get anything to do. She don't get anything to do. She no fit fight on her back. God go fight una. If una not ready to bring that money, God then go fight una. Now God then go put una for the condition where be say una go even they fight they go una go they beg her with the money, but then it will be too late. We need that money in 2 days. We need tomorrow, next tomorrow. We need that money. If we not see her now, we not even want beg una more bring and come again. But if then they bury una more family they ready, and I go post una pictures join her. In case una see what una see, make people know the doubt. What did they do now? Na problem una use una hand cost. One of the thoughts na wish we dey una village. Na in the worry una. Now go they deceive girls. Now go they deceive them up and down. I go do this, I will do that. Now promise the heaven and earth. When they don't the condition, now go they abandon them, they go. Girls, make una they open una eye. You don't need to use money beg any man. If it will cost me for me to use money, for me to go and work hard, to beg any man may marry me, I will remain single. Fuck that marriage. Fuck that husband. If I want to get baby, I know how to get my baby. Instead of me to take condition, I will believe say yes, I deal with man. You know they take care of me. I will do on my own. It's better than for one person to put you for condition. Ah no. I beg. All Moscow. Mona they call them. Now know them. Now know they. Many of them are there aware about the issues. Many of them are there aware about the issues. And that our sister when the busy they give her with for house, where she said she they fear because she get belle. She said make she kill more for her house. I dey disappointed in you. I've dey very disappointed. If una hear now say that they call now so something I put on her sister or God forbid though they say person die. Now go run come out now go to do burial. So now don't be happy. Ah no God. All those our evil boys. When I want to deceive girls, you all will never know peace. You all will continue to die mysterious death. As una say mona say they deceive una fellow sisters, mona want deceive them, use them, they use their head. Una not go know the meaning of peace for una life. Now they go they bury all of una one they bury some soul. Yes, so. Shebu na hear some where they sleep, they no wake up. The one where they say go club and so he fall he die. na so some this one some of them na so motor kill am na so e go dey happen na the nonsense una dey do o the evil some be say I no know I just dey follow some of una dey smile the nonsense wey our boys dey do for abroad no be only Russia o because I dey talk about Russia well because na Russia I dey all over abroad all over as una comot for no comot for Nigeria as una don reach whether Europe Asia country or anywhere the nonsense una dey use una sister do the nonsense una dey use una sisters stay dey do girl go enter street they go dey use their body dey find money dey go dey follow different white men dey go una no dey pity for them they go dey give their body for change they go dey una go see dey insult them dey journal dey call them different names they be cheap ashawo they be this they be dirty girl una go see dey deceive them dey collect money from una own sister I dey very disappointed in you so all those boys we dey wait for una get 2 days tomorrow next tomorrow see una sister here she get belle she need her money so we dey give una 2 days make una submit the money na she be this so na bye bye for now I will come back okay.